Okay, we'll go ahead and get started on this video. So hey guys, just Austin here with SL Group and BizSX. So today I just wanted to make this quick video to talk about what I would consider and I would like to think is the most important part of the sales process, the most important part of lead generation, the most important part of trying to do deals and trying to find new customers to convert and make money. So, guys, like I keep telling you guys, um, to make it really simple, the entire sales process is just a funnel. It's literally just a triangle turned upside down, right? And so everything up inside that triangle, that's what we have to optimize for. That's what we have to work out on the back end to make sure that we're gonna get money out of the funnel at the end. So guys, like as you see here, it's simply a triangle. And so what this means is that as the funnel goes down through each step, it gets smaller and smaller because what happens is as we go to each step, people just naturally fall off. Everybody will not buy your product or service. That's why it's important to have a big pipeline with lots of people in it, lots of opportunities in it. So you're not just focusing on one deal at any given time. So if you have a huge pipeline and you're constantly bringing in traffic into the top of the funnel, then you're gonna constantly have opportunities and meetings and presentations and money come out of the end of the funnel. So let me just talk about this one topic really quick that I consider and that I think is the most important topic, which is the very top of the funnel, which is traffic attention. So when we talk about traffic, we have to have a traffic source. We have to have attention. We have to have eyeballs on our product or service to even get the ball rolling or moving to have anybody even purchase the product in the first place. This is commonly known as like marketing. A lot of times, marketing will handle this initial process of bringing in traffic, attention, and eyeballs into the business so that we can develop that energy into opportunities so that those opportunities can turn into meetings, presentations, and then eventually those meetings and presentations will turn into money in the form of deals closed, which are deals won or deals lost, whichever way. So, but for the sake of this video, the most important thing that I want to focus on in this video is traffic. You must have a traffic source. Now, there are more important things as it relates to traffic, how you bring in your traffic, such as your messaging, your offer, and there's a lot of other things as well. And I've written an article on this as well. So if you guys want to check out that article, I'll post it somewhere here as well. So, but for the sake of this video, traffic is going to be your number one most important aspect of bringing in new people and having the ability to make money and to create opportunities and create sales, right? So your number one goal is sales, but we have to reverse engineer the process and start at the top. So when we say traffic, what is traffic? So we must have a traffic source to even introduce people to our product or our service. So this can be traffic, this can be attention, this can be eyeballs, this can be impressions, this can be virality, going viral. Basically, anything that gets people in the door to introduce them to your product or service. And then, like I said, on the back end, you need to work on your messaging and your offer and your audience. Who is your correct audience? But for this purpose, we're just going to focus on traffic. So, traffic can come from a variety of places. Traffic can come from lead generation. Traffic can come from like Facebook ads. Traffic can come from website visits. Traffic can come from website forms where people go to your website and fill out a form showing that they're interested in your product or your service. And then they leave a telephone number for you to give them a call back. Traffic can come in from like your YouTube videos. Traffic can come in a variety of ways, right? So there's like digital marketing to where traffic can come in, and then there's also terrestrial marketing to where traffic can come in. So just traffic can come in just by you going out and talking to 100 people every day and telling them about your products and services. Traffic can come in from you going out and passing out 100 business cards every day and to potential customers telling them about your product or service. Traffic can come in from making 100 phone calls every day telling people and businesses about your products and service. So traffic can also come in through flyer distribution, going out and passing out 100, 1,000, 500, 5,000 flyers, right? So the most important thing to get started is to simply get started. So you want to get started as soon as you can by bringing in that traffic into your business, because over time that traffic will develop into opportunities. Because remember, everybody that we bring in from the top into the traffic part of the funnel, they will not become a customer. Everybody that we bring in as traffic, they will not show interest. They will not want to learn more. They will not convert to the opportunity stage. And so this is why it's very, very important to always have lots of traffic, lots of attention, lots of eyeballs on your business, and always have this motion, what I like to call coming into your business. And because if there was one thing that I had to pick that was the most important, it's the traffic. It's the top of the funnel. Because guess what, guys? Without traffic, without anybody even knowing about your business, how will you ever make a sale? How will you ever do business? So I consider traffic the number one most important aspect to focus on. And then from there, what happens is we take that traffic, attention, those eyeballs, and then people will start to inquire more and want to learn more. And so then we consider that our opportunities, because now we have an opportunity to take those people that are interested and pull them along the line and convert those people to meetings and presentation stage, right? And so this is a time where we'll sit down for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, lock down a time to talk to our prospect, with the hopes and the opportunity that we will convert them to the next stage, which is a sale won and hopefully not a sale lost. So this is pretty much how the money is going to flow out in the end. So you're going to have your traffic at the top. These are the fresh new people coming into your funnel every day. These are new people knowing about your business, or even if they already heard about your business. And then from there, on the next stage, you're going to develop some opportunities from that traffic and that attention. People are going to start to inquire. You may reach out to your top of funnel traffic and you may create opportunities. You may have a script that you do a call or follow-up call with and convert that traffic into opportunities. And from there, they may be interested in learning more. So you'll learn a little bit more about what they're currently doing, and then you'll attempt to get them to a meeting or the presentation stage. And then from there, you are going to just simply ask for the sale. You're going to ask for the money, and you're going to either win that or lose that. And so if you win it, guess what? Now you have money in your pocket and money in your business, and you've been successful in the sales process. And remember, sometimes you can always come back from this stage if the deal is lost, go back to the meetings or presentation stage, find out where you went wrong, and bring some of those sales or deal lost back into the deal one cycle and the deal one phase, and recapture some of that money that was left out previously. So guys, this is very important. So the central message for this video, in any case, if there had to be one, is just focus on getting traffic, attention, and eyeballs into your business, because the traffic, attention, eyeballs, that's gonna be the source for everything else, right? So without traffic, attention, eyeballs, you have no business, you have no opportunities, you have no meetings or presentations, and you have no money, you have no business. So focus on traffic, attention, eyeballs. There's a variety of ways that this can be done. So focus on that, and then just follow the sales process, and then from there you're gonna either win the deal or lose the deal. All right, guys, if you have any questions or you want to set a 15-minute discovery call with us to see if we can help you with any of this, help you develop out some of your traffic sources, or develop some of your top of funnel attention sources, help you get more eyeballs on your business, eyeballs on your products and services, feel free to reach out to us by going to www.bizsx.com/go. Go. So that's www.bizsx.com/go. So, all right, guys, go over there, book your 15-minute discovery call, and we'll see if we could possibly or potentially help you out with your top of funnel traffic and your sales process, and making sure that you're bringing people through the funnel the correct way, and you have the scripts and everything lined up in order to start creating some some deals and some sales on the opposite end of the funnel. All right, guys, that's my time for the day. Thanks. I'm out.